Is your UPS system truly ready when you need it most? Hi there. Welcome to the MSP TV. Today, we are diving into essential UPS health check and maintenance strategies that ensure your system stands the test of time. Your UPS is the silent guardian behind your critical operations. But like any equipment, it needs regular TLC to stay reliable. So, what can you do? Regular inspections. Perform routine visual checks. Look out for dust buildup, loose cables, or signs of wear. Catching issues early prevents future failures. Battery maintenance. Batteries are the heart of your UPS. Test them regularly, clean terminals, and replace old units before they die. A single failed cell can compromise your entire backup. Firmware and software updates. Ensure your UPS is running the latest updates. They fix bugs, improve efficiency, and help you monitor performance more accurately. Load testing. Simulate a power outage. It's the only way to know if your UPS will actually perform when the lights go out. Professional servicing. Don't just rely on in-house checks. Schedule periodic servicing by certified technicians or like our team at MSPL to catch what you might miss. Remember, a healthy UPS system isn't just about uptime. It's about protecting your people, data, and reputation. Need help with regular UPS maintenance or health checks? Call us at +919 6960 8662 or visit msplgroup.com to schedule a consultation today. Stay powered. Stay protected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart power tips from MSP TV.